principle of polarity shows us that everything has a dual nature. Everything has poles. Everything has its pair of opposites. Opposites are identical in nature and are only different in degree. There are numerous and varying degrees between two extremes of opposites. Extremes meet, and all paradoxes may be reconciled. A classic example used to demonstrate the principle of polarity is to consider heat and cold. These are not two different things, as they are both temperature by nature and are only different in degrees. So the quality of heat, which would be the presence of heat energy, and the quality of cold, which would be the lack of heat energy, these qualities contrast, yet they are not separate. Both heat and cold are opposing polarities on the same scale of temperature. On the mental plane, an example would be love and hate. So beginning at any point on the scale, as we ascend, we will experience more love and less hate. As we descend, we will experience more hate and less love. Approaching the middle of the scale, we will encounter varying degrees of like and dislike to a point where it may be difficult to distinguish between them. This same formula applies to courage and fear, and to all other poles of opposites. Transmutation of polarity can only occur between things that are different in degree, yet that are of the same nature or classification. So something dull can become sharp, but something dull cannot become west. East can become west, but not become dull or sharp. Now, consciously applying the principle of polarity is remarkably powerful. As the Kybalion states, to destroy an undesirable rate of mental vibration, focus upon the opposite pole to that which you desire to suppress. Kill out the undesirable by changing its polarity. By executing trained willpower and by elevating the mind to the desired vibration, polarization of the mind will occur accordingly. This is the principle of polarity.